guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Neat Bar and the Neat Pad, which is currently available as a Teams room, a Zoom room or a bring your own device room, which essentially means that you could bring in your own laptop or Microsoft Surface or MacBook, whatever you have, and control the room system through that. So let's get into it. So here we have the Neat Bar in the box, so let's get into it. So this is what the box will look like. It has a picture of the actual Neat Bar. It says Neat Bar on the bottom here, and open it like so. First thing you will be greeted with is this little box here that says welcome and let's get started. So put that to the side. So this is what the inside of the box will look like when you first open it. You will be greeted with this warranty and safety information booklet at first. We can put that to the side for now. And then the next thing and the main thing of the box that you will see is the Neat Bar itself. This is what it looks like. So it's wrapped in some plastic to protect the camera. So if you remove that plastic, turn it this way, this is what the Neat Bar looks like. So that's the camera of the Neat Bar. On the side you'll see that it says Neat. And yeah, that's the Neat Bar itself in all its glory. And we'll pop that to the side. And the next things you have in the box are your mounting options. So this is how you want this mounted in your meeting room. First option we have is a table mount. So you can simply put your Neat Bar on top of this, on top of the table, and it will sit on any tabletop within your meeting space. And then these two mounting plates here are for wall mounting. So if you want it mounted on the wall below your screen, you use these two mounting plates. So that's the first layer of the box. So let's pull these up, put them to the side and see what we've got underneath. So this is the bottom layer of the box. Now, so the third and final mounting option that you have for the Neat Bar is having it mounted onto your screen or onto a trolley. So this is what this large mounting option is for. So these two pieces simply connect together. They go on the back of your screen, and then your Neat Bar will be connected to your screen. We'll put them to the side. And then we have some screws and some Allen keys for installation of the Neat Bar. We have the power cable in the box as well. And then the final two things we have is the HDMI and the network cable. So the next thing we have is the Neat Pad, which is the room controller for the Neat Bar. But it also can be used as a room booking system when bought by itself. So it can go on the outside of your office or meeting room, and people can use it to book the meeting space. But for now we're going to be unboxing it with the Neat Bar. So this is the Neat Pad box. It comes with a picture of the pad and the Neat Pad inside. We open it up. Again, similarly to the Neat Bar, you have this little thing here that says welcome and let's get started. Move that to the side. Again, you have the warranty and safety information booklet, this time for the Neat Pad. And then here we go. So we've got some mounting options. So if you were to use this as a room booking system and you wanted it mounted outside your meeting space on the wall, you'd need these two mounting plates here. It also comes with a BYOD injector, which you may already have, but you also may need. And it comes with two network cables if you need to use the BYOD injector. And then the star of the show, the Neat Pad itself. Comes in this little plastic sleeve. Just pull that out. Here it is. The back of the pad, it just comes with one simple cable. There you go. That is the Neat Pad, the room controller for the Neat Bar. So that was our unboxing of the Neat Bar and the Neat Pad for your Teams, Zoom or bring your own device room. I'll leave a link down below to find out a little bit more about the Neat solutions, and if you want to know any more information, get in touch with the team at DNA Media and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.